Hey guys, I'm back, and basically this is a test um, to see where my trouble spots are for lighting. I can already see that this is horrible. I've set up a little space down in the basement. I'm not where I originally wanted to be because it was over by the breaker box, and there was a humming coming from it, and that was just horrible. So I've moved over to the other side. I only have 2 lights set up right now, so we'll see how this goes. I also have these big 12 by 12 tiles that I'm just going to play around with. It is a textured tile, so you could see some pitting in there, so we'll just see how that goes. And we're just going to use a few colors. We have our basic white, which is from Simply Acrylic. We have our Caribbean blue from Apple Barrel. We have bright red also from Apple Barrel, sorry. Apple Barrel, not Appleberry. And then we just have a basic black from Craft Smart. And then we're also throwing in a little bit of the pure gold metallic from Folk Art. Our pouring medium is Floetrol today. And just can't seem to get rid of air bubbles in my gold. So I am going to quickly spray down my tile. So it's been down in the basement. I can already see a problem with my area being down here. My cats, one of them has already decided that, hey, this is my table. No, kitty, it's not. I just don't want to be in my soap room anymore. So, without further ado, we're going to start working on this. We're going to pour some white off over into this area here. This is actually the cup that I'm going to use to layer, so I don't mind if there's some white left in there. And then I'm going to pour black over on this side. And we're going to just smooth that around. Like so. Clean that off. Get this black going. I got more white mixed into my black already. I thought I wiped that off, but apparently not very well. So, like so. And then we're going to start layering. So we're going to start with the Caribbean blue, and we're just going to pour a bunch in there. Our red, the gold, a little bit of the black that's left in there, blue again, red, gold, and try to get the last dredges of blue out of there, like so. All right, so I'm going to try to stay out of your way here. I'm really not in the center, am I? catch it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands off real quick. And we're going to grab our tile. We're going to try to keep some of this integrity of my beautiful rings. Bring it back. Like so. We can take out this corner over here. And then we'll just be left with that black and white right there. What do you think of that? Oh, you guys can't see it. Oh, what do you think? I don't know. It just makes it... Let's see if we can take out some of that white, I think. Sorry, I'm tilting away from you. I know, I'm sorry. Problem is I'm trying to get you guys to be able to see that little corner down there, and I can't even see it. We're just about to lose it. And there it goes. Now let's leave that little black there. I think I like that. So very nice. Get my gloves off here real quick. Wipe up my arm drips. And yeah, this lighting just is not very good, but we'll work on it, right? See if we can get any air bubbles to pop here. I don't really see too many. I think we're pretty good. And you know what? The coverage is really nice considering those, the textured tile. I'm really, really happy with this. My microphone cord is covered in paint right now. I'm a very messy person. You see that? Yeah. If it's not soap on something, it's paint. Well, what are you going to do, right? Creative people are messy is what I'm told. At least that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So, I'm going to pause you and then take you down and get a closer look at this. Hold on. Okay, so casting shadows, that's not good. See if I can. My edges got pretty good. See if I can get it from this where the light's on it. Well, I'm pretty happy. Not really happy with the lighting down here, but we will work on that. And I'm definitely not going to stop making videos just because they're a tad on the dark side. We will persevere. The only thing that's going to stop me is cats. I only have 2, but they're terrors. So that's it, a 12 by 12 acrylic pouring on ceramic tile. And yeah, great. Thanks. Bye.